video, you see this early Christmas gift. We got it now instead of Christmas Day because it takes hours to build and we won't get to see very much people or go anywhere. So I got it today. And the coolest thing is this when the train moves, this Christmas, this car moves. And the coolest, awesomest thing of it is when it moves a little toy. A train is underneath it. Okay, now let's get started. Ho, 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 it's Christmas. It's time to load up the presents. The awesomest thing about this train is the caboose doors can open and close. Both sides. And
Are there any Lego men? Can we see them? Okay, the conductor,
engineer, right there. Cool man.
We have Captain America today. What is he here for?
She's gonna be the elf to load presents. Okay, it's time for presents. Load it up. And the saddest thing about this is it doesn't come with a motor.
You have to push.
What?
Sorry, you have to push it yourself.
That's push it yourself. It's about to lift the presents. Whoop! The fire truck trying whatever you can call it fell. Their Christmas tree is right here.
What are these people doing? Falling over?
Those people are asleep because this bin's leans.
I think the conductor fell over.
He's the daddy.
Oh, he's not a conductor right now.
He's the caboose man, but he's also dad. And I have to build this. And then get out the rocket. Yeah. And the saddest thing about this, it doesn't stand up. It just leans.
You start flipping it over?
Flipping it over. And what? You gotta end the video.
Hurry up.
And the next morning, I try and hurried away, and the people got up. Toys, presents. The mom jumped up. The bench went up. Yay, presents! Better get my robot, wake up! It's Christmas. Oh, I got a new watch. Good. I love fixing things. Maybe I can fix something on the Christmas train that I work on. Oh, I'm going to have to build this. A sailboat, a fire truck, this is ooh, ow. Almost done. I'll hurry up. Oh, awesome. The end. Thank you for watching. Bye.